In this video, we're going to show you how to install the interior door handle on your Jeep Wrangler, located on both the driver and passenger door. Using your window crank removal tool here, you want to put it between the window crank and the trim behind it. And you're going to work this around, and you want to release the retainer clip that holds the window crank onto the shaft. All right. This is the clip that you're going to be removing. You want to be careful. This is a spring-loaded clip and can shoot out the side of it, and you can lose it very easy. Go ahead and slide this off. And what you're doing is when you release this here, this goes behind and it pops this clip out of the notches on the crank itself. This pops into a groove on the spline shaft on your window module right here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the screw in the center of the door handle. Now there's 3 screws to remove. There would normally be one here right underneath the door latch unit right here. And then across the bottom, there are 2 here. And you want to go ahead and remove these 3 screws using a T20 Torx bit or a Torx driver. Remove the 2 Torx bits here. These are T20. Grab that door panel, lift it up, work that off of the door. Now on the inside here, when we pull this out, there's going to be 2 metal rods that clip in to both of these units here. Okay, so what we're going to do is this is how it's positioned inside the vehicle. 2 rods go in. We need to pop these clips off of the metal rods. Pull this rod up and off. The bottom one, we're going to pull this off and pull that second rod off of the bottom, and then the handle will be able to come out of the door. You can pull on that a little bit using a pocket screwdriver. Go ahead and undo that first clip on the top. And you can sometimes put your finger down between the glass and the door shell and pop that up. Our clip on our bottom rod is already broken. Reach down inside, hold that rod. Here's our handle, and this is the piece that's broken. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the lower rod installed here first. Reach down and pull that lever out. Get that rod installed. Press that in. Push that clip onto it. And do the same for the upper one. Then you can use a pair of pliers here to go ahead and guide that in. Push that rod in. Sometimes you can get your thumb in there. So there you go, snap that clip into place. So now we have both upper and lower clip in there. Go ahead and get that set up. At this point here, go ahead and bring your door panel up. to get that set into place. There we go. We have the door panel drop down into place. Now we have the plastic push pins. We want to go ahead and lock those in around the perimeter. Get our door handle release set into place. Before I secure these down, I just want to get these started first. I'm going to do this for all of the door panel screws. Get them started, and then we'll come back and snug everything down. Get these two put in on the bottom. Now, if you have the screw for the door panel here, go ahead and install that. Ours was missing, so at this point here, we're going to come back and tighten all of our screws down. You just want to snug these down. You don't want to over tighten them. Install the Phillips head screw for your door handle. Install the door window crank gasket. On your window crank, you want to go ahead and take the metal clip and install that into the notches on the back of the handle. Using a pair of pliers is usually the best way to go. Then you have the clip in place. And take that gasket, pull that off and line it up like so. Just kind of get it on the window crank. Line that up and push it on. That little retainer clip secures that. Now that you have the window crank handle on, you can go ahead and test everything. Make sure your door lock works and the release works. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.